Hey everyone! For this first spring DIY, you want to paint a wood bunny or a different shaped ornament, and you also want to paint a wooden dowel any color that you want. Once the paint is dry, you want to put hot glue on one end of the wooden dowel, and then you want to place that end of the wooden dowel on the middle of what you want your base to be. I used a wood circle, but you can use whatever you would like. When the glue is dry, you want to glue the bunny or whatever you want to use to the wooden dowel. Then you can glue on a flower with some leaves or other green plants. And you can also glue on a bow. Now something else you can do is that you can cover up the whole of the ornament by gluing a piece of paper on the back of the bunny or whatever you used to make it less noticeable. Once you like how it looks, you're all done. For this next spring DIY, you want to paint a wood bunny ornament or something else, and when it's dry, you can glue a bow on it. You can also make the whole of the ornament less noticeable by gluing a piece of paper on the back. Then you want to glue the bunny or whatever you used in the middle of a bicycle wheel wreath form. The next thing you can do is that you can trim the stems of 2 or more bunches of flowers, and then you can bend them into the shape of the wreath, and then you can glue them to the wreath. I did cut and glue 2 flowers to the middle of the flowers because I didn't like the empty space in the middle, but you can do whatever you would like. Once you're done, you can glue a bow on the middle of the flowers, and if you need to, you can add some more glue on the back of everything. When the glue is completely dry, you're all done. Now for this third DIY, you want to take a wooden birdhouse and paint it any color that you want. Then you want to paint a wooden tray. Once everything is dry, you can put anything that you want in the tray. I glued down some moss first. Then I glued on some purple flowers, the birdhouse, a bird's nest with eggs, 2 birds, and some leaves. When you like how everything looks, you're all done with your garden. For this last DIY, you want to flip a canvas over and cut off the canvas fabric with an X-Acto knife. Then you want to trace the inside of the canvas frame onto the canvas fabric, and then you want to paint it any color that you want. When you're done painting, you want to paint the canvas frame any color that you want. Once you're done painting the frame, you also want to paint a wood bunny ornament or something else any color that you want. Now when everything is dry, you want to put hot glue on the back of the frame, and then you want to place the frame on the canvas fabric. Then you want to cut off the extra canvas fabric. When the glue has dried, you want to glue the bunny or whatever you want to use on the canvas fabric, and then you can glue on a bow, flowers, or whatever you would like on the frame, or in the middle of the frame. Also, if the whole of the ornament is showing, you can paint behind the ornament to make it less noticeable. Once everything is dry, you're all done with your reverse canvas. That's how you make these spring decoration ideas. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about these DIYs, and if you like this video, subscribe to see more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!